Hey everyone, Sophia here for my great challenge. Welcome back to my channel and another recipe. Today I am going to make, are you ready for this? A gluten-free and grain-free savory zucchini bread. I got the recipe from Zesty Paleo. I'll put the website right here with the recipe. You can see what it looks like. So basically this is a recipe for folks like me who are very sensitive to gluten and grain due to autoimmune disorder. But if you are trying to reduce carbohydrates, if you're trying to reduce your wheat intake and grain intake, this is the perfect recipe. And zucchinis are in season, so it's the perfect July recipe. Here are the ingredients for the savory zucchini gluten-free grain-free bread. You need 1 small lime zest, and then its equivalent in juice. You need 3/4 of a cup of coconut flour, 1 to 2 tablespoons of dried thyme. I don't have any dry, so guess what? We're going to use the fresh one from the garden. You need 2 cups of coarsely grated fresh zucchini. In here I have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. This is a 1/2 cup of melted coconut oil. So if you are sensitive to eggs, for instance, if you are on AIP and you're still in the elimination phase and you haven't reintroduced your eggs, you can use gelatin instead. So we're using 2 packs. We're going to froth them as though they were egg whites. If you can use eggs, then use 3 eggs. First things first, I'm going to turn my oven at 350 degrees. So let's start with the dry ingredients of the coconut flour right here. And then I'm going to add my baking soda, my garlic powder, cream of tartar, and salt. So basically we're mixing all of the dry ingredients first. So I have 2 packs and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of hot water. Actually, I'm going to do 3 tablespoons. And I'm going to whisk them as though they are egg whites. I want to use a spatula to get all of the sides back in the bottom. And once that's mixed and you have a decent consistency, we're just going to add the coconut oil and mix that together. And add the lime juice and the zest. This smells delicious already. coconut and lime. Yes, please. Next, I'm going to add my coconut flour and my thyme. Mix that together. And then I'm just going to add my zucchini and fold it. So I'm going to line my Corningware pan with parchment paper. First I gotta measure it. Add my batter to the pan. And this goes in the oven at 350 degrees for 50 to 60 minutes. I'm going to spend some time cleaning my dishes, and when I come back, we'll look at it. I gotta tell you, it smells delicious. I have a feeling this is gonna be really, really good. And you saw it's not difficult to make at all. It's been 60 minutes. I'm going to take it out, and it has to cool down for at least a half an hour. Let's look at it. Oh, it smells so good. You know what's interesting is that it does look like an omelet, doesn't it? But there's no eggs. It smells good. You can smell the zucchini. You can definitely smell the lime. All right, I'll be back in 30 minutes. Try this, and I'm a little disappointed at the way it looks, but I gotta tell you, it says on the website that it's better the following day and you're supposed to put it in the fridge and eat it cold, so I can totally see that, but it's a little warm. Let's taste it. Oh, this is good. Totally can taste the lime. This is actually pretty good. Again, too much salt. I bet you cold, it's delicious. So I'm gonna put it in the fridge until tomorrow, and then I'll try it again tomorrow. But so far, the texture is very much like an omelet, even though there's no eggs in it. And it's a little soft and mushy because of the zucchini, so it definitely needs to be chilled. But the taste is really good. Now, if you're gonna try it, put a little bit less salt, because right now what it tastes like, very much so, is those herb crackers. You know, like those, what do you call it? Tricks? No, not Tricks. You know, like those Cheez-Its type crackers that have herbs and stuff. That's what it tastes like. So it's very intense in terms of flavor, but this is pretty healthy. And again, gluten-free, no eggs, no grain. So if you like those recipes, give me a thumbs up. The link is down below if you want to check it out. Hers looks much fluffier than mine. I think I put too much zucchini in it, so that kind of like weighted it down. But it tastes pretty good. I like it. It's not my best recipe, you know, but it's pretty good, and we'll definitely finish it. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook at My Great Challenge, channel merch, on Etsy at My Great Challenge Gift, and then my Etsy shop Frenchie and Tubby for vintage finds, and now on Patreon at Patreon/My Great Challenge for exclusive content. And we just started this week and we're already having fun, so I'll talk to you later. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hey, it's me, and guess what? Click that thumbs up if you really like this video. Thumbs down twice if you didn't. You can also share my video if you really liked it, or save it to watch later. Also, you can subscribe to my channel, but don't forget to click that bell button so you are always notified when I post a new video. Thank you for watching.